Hi, I'm Sylvia from Vintage Kitchen Vixen, where I share tips for simple living, creating memorable gatherings, and preparing wholesome and traditional meals with a vintage twist. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make pork and shrimp burgers in cast iron skillet. Now, I have shared a burger recipe in the past of how to build your own patty without needing a recipe, but sometimes it's good to have a little inspiration to get you going. In case you haven't seen that post or that video, I will link those below so you can check them out. Now, pork and shrimp burgers are super delicious. It's a fun spin on the burger. It's just ground pork and finely chopped up shrimp, and you just mix everything together in your patties and then you cook them on the skillet or on the barbecue if you want to do that, or just any regular frying pan. If you want to know why I prefer cooking with cast iron to regular non-stick skillets, you can check out the link below where I explain all of that. Burgers are really simple to make, and these patties are no exception to the rule. They're delicious, they're full of flavor, especially if you are a fan of Asian flavors, because there's ginger, there's spring onions, and there's hoisin sauce and garlic. So just beautiful flavor combinations that come together to bring you a really delicious burger. I'm going to be serving them on brioche buns, but you can serve them on whatever buns you want, or you can even serve them without a bun. I'm going to be putting a seasoned coleslaw on them, but I mean, you can put whatever burger toppings you want to put on there. You can put on lettuce, tomato, onions, pickles, your favorite burger toppings. So I don't think I need to go into much explanation with that. And of course, you can serve them with your favorite sides, whether that's roasted potatoes or french fries, salad, you name it. I'm sure you can figure something out that's going to be delicious. In the meantime, I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to get into silent film mode. And if you're new here and you don't know what that is, you're going to find out right now. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, I do that silent film mode on a regular basis, pretty much with every recipe video that I make, so I really hope you liked what you saw and that you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. If you are coming back to the kitchen, thank you so much for joining me for another episode. I'm so glad to have you here. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment if you want to let me know your thoughts on this recipe today. If you have any recipe ideas that you'd like to see from me, don't be shy and let me know in the comments below. And lastly, if you want to help me out, you can share this video with somebody who you think would enjoy this. But that's it for me for today. I put out 2 new videos a week, so I will be back real soon. Bye! And let me know in the comments below.
Oh, you're not done?
No.
Oh, sorry. I didn't hear anything, so I thought you were.
Oh, I'm still talking.
Okay, action!
Okay, where was I?